So this video is going to show you how to replace the screen for Acer E5 573T P1LS. Okay, so basically this is the laptop, and the goal is to replace the screen of this one. So basically you need to take those plastic cover out, so you can from the side just use your nail or use your card. If you have a card, slide it in. So be a little bit careful. Take this is the most difficult part, but there's no screws for sure. Okay, it's coming out now. Okay, finally it's out. Then there's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to take it out. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now it's ready to fold the screen over. We can see this is the connector. So this one previously has the tape on it, but basically the original look will be look like this. So take this tape out, then you should be able to unplug this connector here. Then get your new screen ready. So I order the new screen here. Okay, so then just carefully plug it back in. Just make sure it's lined up. Okay, so the tape is not sticker anymore, so I'm going to use extra tape, just a regular scotch tape. Okay, so here we go. Put it back. Okay, so then we can do a test actually at this moment. Test. Okay, it's lighting up now. Okay, so after the test successfully, you complete the replacement. Thanks.